Rule 13. Overlooking. Notwithstanding anything contained in the rules of Part B, Section 1 and 2, any vessel overtaking any other shall keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken. Vessel from a direction more than 22.5 degrees above hereby that is in such a position with reference of the vessel. She is overlooking that at night she would be able to see only the starlight of the vessel, but either of the her side light. See, when a vessel is any dark as the weather, she is overtaking another. Rule 14. Head-on situation. When two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal course so as to involve risk of collisions, each shall, after her course, to starboard, so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. Such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the others. Rule 15. Crossing situation. When two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. Rule 16. Action by giveaway vessel. Every vessel which is directed to keep out of my way of other vessels shall, so far as possible, take early and substantial action to keep well clear. Rule 17. Action by stand-on vessel. Where one of two vessels is to keep out of the way, the other shall keep her course and speed. The latter vessel may, however, take action to avoid collision by her maneuver alone as soon as becomes apparent to her the other vessel required. To keep out of my way is not taking appropriate action. It appliances with these rules. When from any course that vessel required to keep her course and speed,